Hello, hello. This is Linda Waterhouse of Linda Waterhouse Consulting, lindawaterhouse.com. And today I will be showing you a LinkedIn tip. Many of my clients ask me, I have, dozens of connection requests in my inbox. Who should I accept? Should I accept all of them? Should I accept none of them? And today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about my decision-making process. What I tell people is that everybody needs to decide for themselves what they want to do. Some people are comfortable connecting with people overseas, for example, and others just don't want to have anything to do with it. So today I'm going to go through my inbox and go through my thought process for some of the people that I decide to accept the connections with and some of the people that I decide that I'm not going to. So you will most probably be at your home or your newsfeed. So what we want to do is go up to the bar and click on My Network. Now, the first thing that we will see is the top three or the last three invitations that people sent to us. We can click on Show More and it will show more. So you can see right from the start that people who send a personalized connection request really stand out. There's one out of all of these, and this is the one that I focused in on. So this is one good reason why you always want to personalize your connection request. So let's look through for the people who just sent the standard. So now this person, Philip Arthur, business development consultant at the Denver Post. Now that sounds very promising, but I very rarely hit accept or ignore. I usually go to their profile. And what I look for are a couple of things. Number one, how LinkedIn savvy are they? Do they have a cover banner? How many connections? Philip here has 45 connections. I tend not to connect with people with fewer than, say 100 connections, because usually they're spam accounts. Now, I also see something, he works at Denver Post, but he's in Clifton, New Jersey. So I'll just peruse I'll look at his LinkedIn profile, but he really doesn't have much. So I'm going to ignore. So from here, I can click on more and then I can ignore him because most likely he is a fake profile, which is one of the reasons why I show people in my classes that when they're just starting out, I don't have anything against people who are starting out, but it's really a good idea that you start connecting with people who know you, who know that you're a real person. So that's another little tidbit. So let's see, going through all of them. This person is a tarot card reader. Now, although I have nothing against tarot card readers, I don't think that I will ever be able to give business or get business from her. So I am going to ignore this person also. So let's take a look at Noelle. Noelle is a marketing coordinator at Bloomer's Home and Garden. So now she is local. She only has 52 connections. So let's take a look. All right. Now, this is why I always say it depends. Although Noelle only has 52 connections, it does look like she has a real profile. So this is somebody who I can actually help. So I will hit accept. Spend a few minutes a couple times a week looking through your network, your connection requests, and make up your own strategy for how you decide who you're going to accept and who you're not going to accept. Again, I'm Linda Waterhouse. Please visit lindawaterhouse.com for more free resources. Thank you.